As homeowners in Birmingham look for ways to cut costs and enhance comfort, installing energy-efficient windows has become a top consideration. The benefits of upgrading your windows go beyond just enhancing your home's curb appeal. They also offer long-term savings and improved energy performance. In this article, we'll explore how energy-efficient windows can save you money while helping to create a more sustainable home. What are energy-efficient windows? Energy-efficient windows are designed to prevent heat from escaping or entering your home, reducing the need for excessive heating and cooling. These windows are constructed with special glazing, insulation materials, and often multiple panes to enhance their ability to retain temperature control. Low emissivity, low E, coatings, gas fills like argon or krypton, and thermal breaks are common features of energy-efficient windows, all contributing to their efficiency. The impact of energy-efficient windows on your energy bill. In a city like Birmingham, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly throughout the year, energy-efficient windows can have a substantial impact on your heating and cooling costs. During the colder months, traditional windows tend to let heat escape, forcing your heating system to work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature. This leads to higher energy bills. Similarly, during the summer months, inefficient windows allow heat to penetrate your home, causing your air conditioning system to run longer, further increasing energy consumption. Energy-efficient windows reduce the workload on your heating and cooling systems, as they provide superior insulation. By preventing air leaks and regulating indoor temperatures, your home stays warmer in winter and cooler in summer, without the need for constant temperature adjustments. This not only leads to immediate savings on energy bills but also helps you reduce your carbon footprint. Long-term savings and return on investment. The initial cost of installing energy-efficient windows may seem high, but the long-term savings are well worth the investment. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, homeowners can save up to $465 per year on energy costs by replacing single-pane windows with energy-efficient alternatives. The actual savings may vary depending on your current window setup, home size, and local climate conditions. However, over time, the reduced energy consumption will more than compensate for the upfront cost of installation. In addition to energy savings, energy-efficient windows can also increase your home's market value. Potential buyers are often attracted to homes with modern, energy-efficient features, and they're willing to pay a premium for a property that promises lower energy costs. This means that when it comes time to sell your home, you could see a higher resale value due to the improvements you've made. Additional benefits of energy-efficient windows. Aside from saving money on energy bills, energy-efficient windows offer several other benefits. Improved comfort. By maintaining a more consistent indoor temperature, energy-efficient windows help eliminate cold drafts during winter and reduce heat gain in the summer. This leads to a more comfortable living space, without the fluctuations that can occur with traditional windows. Noise reduction. Many energy-efficient windows are designed with thicker glass or additional panes, which can help reduce noise from the outside. If you live in a busy area of Birmingham, this feature can significantly enhance the quality of life in your home. UV protection. Energy-efficient windows with low E coatings can block a significant portion of harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays from the sun. This not only helps protect your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading but also reduces the risk of UV-related skin damage. Environmentally friendly. By reducing the need for heating and cooling, energy-efficient windows also reduce your home's overall carbon footprint. Less reliance on fossil fuel-based energy means a smaller environmental impact, making your home more sustainable in the long run. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows for your home. When selecting energy-efficient windows for your Birmingham home, it's important to consider factors like window style, material, and the energy performance ratings of different options. A reputable installer can guide you through the process, ensuring that you select windows best suited to your home's specific needs. Many energy-efficient windows come with a range of options, such as double or triple glazing, low E coatings, and gas fills, each offering different benefits depending on your local climate and energy goals. Your installer can help assess your home's current energy performance and recommend the most suitable windows for your budget and needs. Conclusion. Installing energy-efficient windows in your Birmingham home is a smart financial decision that can pay off in the form of lower energy bills, increased home value, and improved comfort. The benefits go beyond mere savings. They contribute to a more sustainable living environment and can even reduce your environmental impact. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you're not only saving money but also enhancing the quality and long-term value of your home. So, whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one, energy-efficient windows are a wise choice that brings immediate and lasting benefits.